on the water in Little Egg for $625K. Let's see what you got.
Low maintenance vinyl handrail outside. And of course I love these oak handrails inside. But what I want to show you is this view. More on that later. This kitchen is gorgeous. Quartz countertops and lots of spacious cabinets. Stainless steel appliances. Here's your first full bath upstairs. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Take a look at this off the master. We've got solar powered lighting and the view. Love some of these little details outside. Let's take a look downstairs. What do you say? But of course I want to stop at this handrail again. I love the black spindles with the wood. This is your second bath downstairs. So spacious. This opens up to a sunroom, one of my favorite spots. Things I also love mechanicals when they're nice and clean, beautiful. Chop saw not included. Here is your garage. Let's take a look outside. There's a deck being built here, and they've already got the footings poured. Love the fiberglass deck as well, and this tree is beautiful. But of course, what's most beautiful is this view.